What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is going to be a fun one. We're going to do an actual marble pour here. This is my second attempt. I tried another one, and as you can see, the result, it's cool, but it's not what I was looking for. I want this to look like true white, can't think of how to say the name. I think it's Cipollino Italian marble. So I'm probably wrong with the pronunciation of that. I should probably look that up before I start a video. But I'm going to make another pass at this, only this time I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to get hands-on. I let this one set up too long, so let's check this one out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We just wrapped up this piece and it came out magnificent. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's exactly what I was looking for. This was attempt 2. The first attempt, it looked cool, but it wasn't what I was looking for. It just was a neat abstract piece, and that's not what I wanted. I'm looking for real stone, and this came out perfect. It's Cipollino marble, and this is really great. I mean, it's just got all the perfections in it. It's got all the actual features of a real marble stone. So I'm very happy with this piece. Let me know what you think of this. If you like it, great. If not, give it a thumbs down. Whatever. Tell me what I could do different. Please. Any feedback is great feedback, and it's only going to help me make better content for this channel. So I thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.